All right, yesterday was the official launch of the Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, Watch 4, Buds Pro 2, and Buds 2A. But we're focusing on the Google Pixel 10. And one of the things that people want to know is, are there any good sales, good deals? And right now, Boost Mobile's got crazy deals on the Pixel 10 pre-orders. So as you guys can see here, these are the listed prices. Now there are some caveats to these deals, but I don't think that those are such a huge negative impact on it, right? For instance, the Pixel 10, you only get it in one colorway. However, you're getting it for $299 if you choose the $60 plan. Now, you can get a free year of service if you pay full price $799 for it, or you can finance it at $22.22 a month. Either way, really, really good deals on this. $299 and you're on the $60 plan. That's golden. I mean, that's 400 off, to be quite honest with everybody. But if you want to pay full price, you got that kind of bread to drop on this phone, you can get a whole year of service for free. So you wouldn't even have to worry about a phone bill for a whole year. That's pretty solid. And I believe the Pixel 10 comes in the Obsidian color. So if we go to the Pro, okay, the base Pro, not the Pro XL, but with this one, it's $399. That's insane. $399, okay? So again, you got to be on the $60 plan to get it at $399. It comes in the Moonstone color, so that's pretty nice. And if you decide to just buy it outright, right? If you don't go for the $60 plan, deal, then it's $999. You get a free year of service. And mind you, if you choose to buy it at $399 on the $60 plan, there's no credit check. So it's just their savings for choosing to be on the $60 plan, right? That's how they get you. But it's still a really good deal. And then the 10 Pro XL, you could get this for $499. That is crazy insane. And again, you would have to be on the $60 plan to get it at the special deal of $499. Or you could pay $1,199 and get a free year of service. So there's just deals on either way, whether you choose the $60 plan and get it at a subsidized discounted price, or you choose to buy it at full price, you get a whole year of service with it. That, to me, is a really good deal. So Boost Mobile coming in, and yes, I know people are going to be like, well, Boost needs customers, yada, yada, yada. Look, I don't care about that type of stuff. All I'm going to say is this. For that reason, you can get these phones at a heavy discounted price. And yeah, sacrificing, color options, not a big deal. Skin the phone if you want a crazy color option. But at the end of the day, what you're paying for, this is a solid deal.